This is the Detectors Interlinked smoke detectors. So these smoke detectors allow you to connect up to 24 AegisLink wireless devices to fully protect your home, even across multiple stories, thanks to an open air transmission range of over 820 feet. You can create different network groups to protect your home based on your preferences by adding devices to the existing network or disconnecting devices to create new networks. And with the capabilities of being interlinked, when one alarm sounds, all alarms will sound. A single button to test or silence the whole system with an 820-foot range. It will keep your family and home safe for a decade without the need for frequent battery replacement. It's super easy to interlink by pressing the pin button as you see here on one alarm, and it becomes a receiver. And when you turn on the other alarm and press the pin button, it detects and searches for the receiver, and after a few moments, when they connect, the lights start flashing every 60 seconds instead of rapidly, and this is how they are connected. Super easy to set up, great looking, long lasting alarm system. This is a great product for your home, and you should check it out.